Hi guys, Grandma Jane here from the Degelman Farm. As most of you know, last weekend my sister Bird and I came into the greenhouse and we planted a bunch of the flowers. It got really cold. It was kind of a cold day. It was beautiful during the day, and then that evening it got cold, so we kind of quit a little early. Well, I kind of wanted to show you guys some of the seeds that I'm going to finish up on tonight, or today, I should say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish that out. And I came in here a couple of days ago and I noticed that my seeds still have not come up. So I will let you folks know that we have not seen the sun in almost 2 weeks. So my plants have not come up. I'm sure the last 2 days it's been really nice, so I'm hoping they come up real soon. I have a few plants I picked up yesterday. It was my 60th birthday yesterday. It was a great day. My son Tom and my husband took me out to some greenhouses. We looked around and at different plants to try to see what other kind of plants I could buy. I'm also have some good news. I've decided to finally step up and we are going to do another little butterfly garden. Butterfly, bees, birds. I'm starting to plant some flowers. I'll get some that started, and then Tommy and I can plant those. Also, I will pick up a few too at the garden center. If there is any kind of flowers or plants that you guys know of that will be good for this area, flowers that are good for butterflies, bees, let me know. I'll let you know if I have those. It's going to be kind of a big project. I figured it will probably take 2 to 3 years to get everything to fully start growing. But I will show you a couple of the stuff I have. I've got this, and they are bulbs. So I'm going to try these first and see how these work on my garden. There is 50 bulbs in there, so I'll start with those. I also got a few gift cards for my birthday to Nelson Nursery. I love that nursery, also 101. So I will go there and pick up a few plants that are ready, but I'll wait a couple more months before we get those. I'm going to do a lot of perennials. I will do some annuals in there too, but I'm going to try to establish some grass, some perennials, things that come up every year. I am kind of getting older now. My knees don't work as great, so it's kind of nice if I can get stuff that will come up all the time. I will have to probably weed quite a bit the first couple of years, but I'm really excited for this. And my son Tom will show you kind of where we're going to plant this stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited to start that project. Planting. And let me tell you guys, I love planting. Getting my fingers dirty. I rarely wear gloves. I just enjoy the feel of the soil. Everyone's different, but I do have some of these wild phlox, sunflowers, cosmos, hollyhocks. I have some English daisies. I would like to put some of those in my garden too that we are going to start new. I have blue daisies. I also have some lupine I have purple and red. I'm very excited to start those. So let's get started planting. So now I am going to do these orange cosmos. And like I said, cosmos are really easy to grow too. I put 2 to 3, and then when they start getting bigger, then I weed through them. Some I will take out and transplant in different containers. I try to grow enough for myself, my sister, and a few other friends that don't get to do a lot of planting. I love these teddy bear sunflowers. I am going to try to do 10 of them. The only thing is they don't last very long. I thought they would. At least I haven't had very good luck with these. I'm still working. I've only done them a couple of years. So if you have any ideas, let me know, because I love sunflowers and I wish they would stay all the way till fall, but I do have kind of a problem. They don't last long. I don't know if I'm watering too much, not enough water. So if you got any ideas, let me know. That'd be great. I usually put 2 in each one, and then I will weed through them if they aren't very nice. Let me tell you, it is beautiful in here. It is almost 80 degrees already. I've only been out here for about a half hour, 45 minutes, and I may go get my shorts on because it is gorgeous out here. It's beautiful. Here in Minnesota, we have not seen the sun for almost 2 weeks. So yesterday, when I woke up and saw that blue sky, I jumped out of bed. I was so excited. It just makes you happy. Today's another beautiful day. So I love to just get out here and clean, and I've got energy finally after the sun comes out. I'm also going to try some hollyhocks out in that butterfly and bees flower area. I've decided that I know the seeds will go, but I will have to try to contain them, but they're so beautiful, so I am going to try to do some of those too. And these hollyhocks are perennials, but I just love the color of them. Now I'm going to do white dwarf English daisies. Love daisies. These seeds are very tiny, and let me tell you, my fingers shake sometimes, so it's very hard. I was hoping Claire was going to be here. Claire is my granddaughter. She helps me quite a bit, and I wish she was here with these small ones. Okay, now I'm going to clean up some more of this stuff so I can put a few more plants in here. And then I should be pretty much done. The ones I picked up yesterday are geraniums. And as you can see, those are very, very easy to grow. Some ones I just potted. I'll water those down by the end of the day. And And like I say, I'm hoping we see my plants start growing here by the end of this week. We should be set if it stays nice. I think it's supposed to be nice for the next few days, and then of course it's supposed to get crappy again. Thank God I have the greenhouse so I can start some of my plants in here. So let's move some of this stuff. I will also let you guys know I do a lot of these pots too because I use these for drop-ins, so I'm not using so much soil. So what I'll do is with my bigger pots and stuff, I use drop-ins. Then that way I only have to fill up this little pot and it works much easier. So I need to go through those two today and see how many of those I have. Okay, I am going to start on my pink English daisies. Love these too. Some of these seeds are very hard to see how many you put in. Okay, we've got enough of the pink English daisies. Now I am going to do some blue daisies, and I'm hoping I can get some of these to grow this year. I have been having problems with daisies the last few years, and I can't figure out why. So I am going to try these blue ones again and follow exactly what it says and see if I can change that. Okay, I have planted 3 different types of daisies this year, and I'm hoping I can get at least 4 or 5 out of these. It would make me very happy. So here are the ones I've got. I've got blue daisies, I've got pink daisies, and I've got white daisies. So I'm hoping I can get some out of those at least this year. I just have a few left. I have some blue dwarf coneflowers. And I'm going to read this because I want to make sure that I can put them in the back there and they still will grow with all that stuff every year, and it looks like they will. So we are going to get some of those because I think blue would be a beautiful color with the blue phlox and the red and white hollyhocks and the white daisies. Okay, the last of my planting for today is going to be the red and purple lupine. So I'll get some of those started, and then the rest I'll just put in the ground when Tommy and I are ready to start that butterfly area. So let's get to that. So that's what I'm gonna do, is cover them very lightly. Okay guys, I think I'm going to stop for right now. I need to get lunch going.